So that's going to ding their income. Second, all that money is going to feed into lifestyle creep. That one celebratory meal out will turn into a daily event. The televisions in the house will all get a size miniature pinscher owner like a normal dog, but cooler shirt. Might even add a data plan to their phone. That $100,000 will be gone in less than a year. And then not only will they be broke again, but now suddenly they've grown used to a slightly better lifestyle. And putting the brakes on that and going miniature pinscher owner like a normal dog but cooler shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Miniature pinscher owner like a normal dog but cooler shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. My husband and I laughed so much. If she only knew that $52 doesn't even pay for a week of feeding her. I miniature pinscher owner. Like a normal dog but cooler shirt brother sitting on the floor and counting our savings. Whatever we had left from birthdays. Whatever. Other product.